Okay, if you look at this problem, it's telling us the measure of arc. I don't know why I didn't put the arc here. It's on my notes. Mark CBD, which is a major arc, which means it's bigger than 180 degrees, is 280 degrees. So from here to here is 280 degrees. If that's true and a circle measures 360 degrees all the way around, this has to be 80 degrees. And we'll need to know that in order to find the area of the sector and the perimeter. It also tells us that the radius is 18. So we're going to keep that in mind. Let's find the area first. To find the area, we put our angle arc measure over 360. And then we're finding the area, so we want to put it over the area of the circle. And if the radius is 18, the area, 18 squared, is 324. So the area is going to be 324 pi. Then we're going to multiply diagonally, and it is 25,920 pi equals 360x. If you divide both sides by 360, you get 72 pi. And then again, I like that as a perfect answer, but because we are doing a Google form later, we're going to round it to the nearest thousandth, which would be 226.195. And I think even on the Google form, I didn't put any units because I think that screwed up some people on today's form. And today is Monday. I'm making this on Monday. So now we want to find the perimeter. And to find the perimeter, we need to have the arc length. All right, so I need to figure out how long this strip of the circle is. So I'm going to say, again, that's 80 out of 360. The arc measure over the whole way around a circle. And we're trying to find what that length is, arc length, and all the way around would be the circumference. And if we know that we have 18 for a radius, the circumference is 2 pi r, which would be 36 pi. Then we're going to solve the proportion by multiplying diagonally, and then dividing by 360. And so the arc length is 8 pi. That's this right here. And so if we want the perimeter of that sector, we want a radius plus the other radius, and then that arc length. And again, we are going to do that as a rounded answer, as a decimal. And that would approximately be 61 and 133 thousandths, and that's in centimeters. Okay? Second example, 2 more. You're doing great.